Hey, what's happened? This Haitian be number one playboy in America right now. You know, Wyclef don't live here no more, so I'm number one. And Sweet Mickey, the president, don't live here too, so number one is me. What? You hear, you tune into a www.haitianjonas.com. .com, not com as in sending money, .com, C-O-M. Okay? So take it easy, log on, look at pictures and, try to meet people, other Haitians in the community. Okay? I'll see you later. Ciao.
Straighten your back up.
Why you know?
Trainer.
Yeah, trainer.
Yeah, man, I'm a trainer.
Trainer, I need help.
What are you training for?
Something big too. I need help.
Well, I'm your guy. I'm a trainer. Haven't you heard? My name is Jim Jones.
Jim Jones? Love hip hop. Chris's husband?
No. Jim Jones, G-Y-M Jones, man. I get it.
I am.
Yeah.
Yes, man. Come on, man. Yeah.